Hello, and welcome to another Kemono Headbase pattern tutorial. The link to this pattern is in the description below. Feel free to check out our other patterns in our Etsy. Once all your pattern pieces are printed out, cut them along the bolded lines. Underneath the label, you should be seeing the correct size foam you should be using. Trace and cut. Be sure to cut straight up and down and not at an angle. This dome headbase pattern is in our Etsy and you will also need it for this project. The link on how to make it is also down below. You're going to take the face piece and glue it down right on this line. Now take the other one and do the same thing. Next, you're going to take the top of the head and glue it like so. You're going to take the pointier part of the side of the headpiece, and that's what's going to be glued right in the corner there. Do this for both sides. Take your muzzle piece and glue the darts together. You're going to glue both your muzzle pieces together right up to this point. Now, glue your muzzle down right about at this point. Now glue your muzzle down and glue it at a slight curve. After doing this, we did make a few adjustments, and that is okay within this stage. You're going to take your top jaw and your bottom jaw, and you're going to glue them together like this, right on the edge. Now start trimming right at this angle until it's nice and smooth. Be sure to put a decent amount of glue on this part. Push it as far up to the top of the muzzle as you can. Then you're gonna pinch it down and make sure that it glues right up to that edge there. Glue down any part that didn't stick. Next, trim off any excess foam that is hanging over the dome base. This is how the side of the cheek will line up once everything is glued down. Please watch this part carefully and all the way through so you can see how I glue everything down. Once the other side is glued down, cut out the eyes and inside the mouth. Adding the inside of the mouth will make the muzzle more sturdy. Start off with gluing the dart. Now glue one side of the foam. Going from inside the head, pull the foam piece through the mouth and place like so. Trim along inside the mouth and make it as smooth as you can. Also, trim and smooth the outside of the mouth. Cut in the corners of the mouth so everything lines up. Next, you will need to smooth the inside of the mouth. Take your scissors and smooth the corner of the bottom jaw. Start blending the jaw into the cheeks. This is the method that we use. Next, start blending in the bottom of those cheeks. Now, start blending in the tops of the cheeks. Lastly, blend the back of the head to the rest of the base. Be sure you go through and glue in any open spots that you see. We did go in and glue a little bit of the muzzle to get the preferred shape that we want. And you're done! I hope that you guys enjoyed this pattern, and I can't wait to see all the beautiful heads that you make.